How to use One4all gift card online. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser, and in the search bar, search for one4all.com. It will land you on this official page of One4all. Once you are in here, you have to make sure enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Now scroll all the way down. Over here you will be able to see all of the retailers. And retailers with the pointer icons means your One4all gift card can be used on their website. So click on any of the retailer that you want to apply the gift card. Let me click on this white and green. Click on this website. You will have to purchase any of the item from here. Let's say I want to buy this. Click on Shop Now. Tap on Add to Cart. Select your specific item. After that, click on Proceed to Checkout. This interface will appear. First of all, you will have to enter all of your contact information. And at the right side of the screen, you will find the option where it says gift card or discount code. You simply have to enter your gift card code. Once you have entered, click on Apply. After that, your gift card will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use One4all gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.